That's pretty much it. We did pretty well, and then everything's going online, paintings and all. So we'll see if we make some good cash. Warehouse dog.
Shop dog Zoe.
Come on, Zoe.
So you see we're cleaning up the house, moving everything.
What's up, guys? So we're breaking down the house. Everything has been sold that we want to get sold, and we are putting the rest up online to make a maximum profit and max out this house as much as we can. Right now we're breaking everything down, trying to get this clean up for the owner. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We did pretty well, and then everything's going online, paintings and all. So we'll see if we make some good cash.
So we got the rest of the inventory is currently being photoed and packed up in our little makeshift packing station. So we bring the items on this table and then bring them over to our photoing station. And then once they're done, they're brought here where T. Braun and Ty Blunt have been packing them up in the bubble wrap. So that way, once somebody buys any of these items, all we have to do is just pull it out of the bin, put it in a box or an envelope, and then we ship it to them. So it's all nice and easy. We're doing all the work on the front end where we've got a system, we're specializing, we've got everything set up so we do all that at once, and then we save a whole bunch of time on the back end when somebody finally orders the item. We have now gotten everything back to the warehouse, and so we're ready to start selling and listing. So we're gonna be putting those things up ASAP, listed online, and gonna get that stuff sold and finish up this estate. So this is the official end of our kind of like little estate series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment anything that you wanna see or anything that you liked. This has been a great series, and thanks again for joining us. And we hope to see you at the next one.